Can you see this? Can you see this, guys? A tower moment is happening for you. By the way, this reading, this video will not come up to anyone's field, or I can say this reading will not resonate with each and everyone, because this is a specific reading and will only resonate or come up to only those people's feed who are entering in their, glow up era, or maybe the villain era. By the way, I am not, this is a random message, because as you can see the background, I am not making this video in my home. I'm out of town, and I had no idea that I will make this video, but I got this sudden urge, or you can say an intuition, that I should make this video. So please, sorry, I apologize for my background. Please bear with me, because this message actually wants to come up to your feed. And if you are watching this video, definitely, guys, tower moment is happening for you. You know why? You are actually ending a karmic circle. You are actually ending a karmic pattern in your life, and this karmic pattern is not something a very, small, or you can say a usual pattern. We are in a horse energy. We are in a horse, we are in a horse eclipse right now. And this tower moment is telling me that something is going to shift in your energy that is so massive, that you guys have been waiting for this moment to happen. Now it's happening for you. Now it's actually happening for you. But there's this thing that old people, and old people, as in might be the past people, maybe your ex, or maybe your friends that you cut off from your life or something, I don't know. They will going to come up in your life. They will actually show up in your life, because universe is testing you. You are in a testing period right now. Okay, so tower is a kind of earthquake moment. Let me tell you one thing. Tower is a kind of earthquake moment. When earthquake will happen, no? So what exactly happen when earthquake happen? There is this sudden urge of, or maybe the hidden heat, or maybe the hidden emotion will actually evaporate or come on the surface level. This is exactly what is going to happen to you right now. When your glow up era is, you know what, your glow up era is happening. Your glow up era, or you can say your sudden movement. You are making a sudden movement in your life where things are happening for you, things are changing in your favor. But there's this one last test that you guys have been going through, and this test is that universe actually showed you the real face of the people around you. Okay, maybe your ex, or maybe your friend circle, maybe your family, I don't know, they can be anything. Maybe your people at your workplace. You know what exactly is going to happen right now? Whenever you are watching this video, this is of course timeless reading. The thing is happening for you is that this video will only come up to your feed when you are just entering in your glow up era. Why this is going to happen? There's this last test that you need to, clarify. And what is this test? Let me tell you. People, the past person, the past people that universe actually showed their face to you. Okay, they will going to come to you, come up forward to you. They can be your friends, they can be your family members, they can be your partner, the ex partner whom you cut off the contact with. Okay, they will suddenly out of nowhere, they will going to come up to you, and they will going to, tell you how much they love you, they care for you, blah blah blah. but their intentions is not pure. By the way, their intentions are not pure for you. So this is the final test where universe is actually testing you whether you again trust these people. If you are going to trust these people again, and if you're going to, you know, give them a chance again, universe will take back everything that universe have a store in for you. Okay, so please don't make this mistake again. Universe, for some reason, universe have shown you the real face of the people around you. Okay, please don't give them a chance again. This is the final test. You really need to pass this test, guys. You really need to pass this test. Please don't entertain the past people. Please don't entertain the people whom you left. Please don't entertain the people whom you know that are not good for you, for your mental health, for your spiritual health, or maybe for your physical health. Please don't entertain them. Because see, you will be thinking for the past in coming few days, whenever you're watching this video, in coming few days, you will be in sudden high thinking, or I can say you will be in this zone where you will think a lot, or maybe you will isolate yourself, because at this point of time your emotions will be heightened. At this point you will feel like, I don't know what to do, what exactly is happening. You will be confused, you will be in a confusion state, or maybe you can say you will be in so much isolation, overthinking, insomnia will happening to you. But this is all the process. Okay, this is all the process. When universe is going to give you that glow up, or maybe give you that reward of like, when universe is going to give you the reward of your patience. Okay, the last test is happening for you. And why this test is happening for you? Because universe actually wanted to see whether again you will entertain these people, whether again you will get emotional with these people, the people who actually done you wrong in the past, the people who actually don't care for you, the people who actually betrayed you, the people who actually used you for your money, for your for your body, or I don't know, for your emotions, whatever it may be. Okay, you will be in a confused state. You want these people because you have something, you have some karmic relationship with these people. Now universe literally want you to just go back and just take all your energy back into yourself. You really need to put all your energies back into yourself. And that is the see, I was telling you this thing. That is the only way. When you will show the universe that you don't need these people in your life, universe will actually reward you with something big, with something so much big that what I feel like, with something so much big that you never even dreamed of. You only asked for the money, you only asked for the stability, you only asked for the good relationship, good job. Okay, but universe have so much abundance, universe have this so much abundance, prosperity for you in a store. And this is the only final test that it's showing up, or maybe throwing up to you. Please guys, please don't, this is a raw authentic video. Okay, please don't judge the background. I'm telling you again and again, I was not meant to make this video. Okay, but I got this sudden urge for making this video because universe is actually telling you to please, this is the last test, please don't go back to these people because these people actually done you so much wrong, and this is the exact moment where universe is actually putting the final test for you, final exam for you, and you really need to pass these this exam. Okay, please don't entertain past people, whosoever this person is, or maybe multiple people. Okay, friend, family, your ex boyfriend, girlfriend, I don't know who this person is. Please don't entertain these people because they are coming towards you just because universe is telling them to, show up for you. And this is the final exam for you. If you entertain them, again you have to suffer for 3-4 years in your life. Please don't do that, because if you ignore them and just don't entertain them, universe have so much blessings in store for you, guys. So much blessing. Do not get confused, because you are in a confusion right now. You are in a confusion because with them you have this emotional bond. Okay, and that is why you will think like, okay, it doesn't matter if you entertain them. No, 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 it does matter, guys. It does matter. Okay, let's see. Exactly. I was telling you, Ace of Wands with the oh my god, with the Queen of Wands. Oh my god, guys, blessing is, this is not a rare blessing. This is not a something a very small or a big Wands energies. There are heavy Wands energies. Queen of Wands, you are entering in such a powerful era in your life where people will admire you, where people will respect you, where people will actually see you as a queen of empire. You are actually building an empire for yourself. I don't care whether you are doing a job or a business. I don't care whatever you are doing right now in your professional life. Okay, universe is actually guiding you towards something big in your professional life, plus in your personal life, where people will admire you as a queen. They will respect you as a queen. But there's this one thing. Can you see this cat, the black cat, the shadowy cat? What this represent is, no matter if you will become a queen, of course you will going to become a queen, no matter you are a boy or a girl, it doesn't matter. Okay, you will going to hold an empire in future. Whenever you're watching this video, within at least 7 to 8 months, 7 to 8 months, I'm telling you guys, whenever you're watching this video, please claim this energy. And this shadowy cat is telling me that there is always people around you who have an eye for you, the evil eye for you. Please protect yourself from these people. Please protect yourself from these people, because they don't have a very good intention for you. Now, this people, by the way, this person. It can be a multiple person, by the way. Okay, so don't let your guards down at this point of time. And again, universe is giving you so much blessing. Claim this energy. This is again a very raw, authentic video. Claim this energy, because karma is real. Claim this energy. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and write, thank you so much, universe, for my queen energy. I am entering in a villain era. I am entering in my glow up era. No matter you are a boy or girl, please claim this energy. Okay, because very soon after watching this video, you are entering in your queen era. your glow up era. But the thing is, please don't entertain these past people, okay? All the very best. Bye bye. I love you all.